Joseph Beuys, Defense of Nature, Banner, 1982.
Beuys played a crucial role on the art scene of the 1970s and 80s. He brought a social concern into artistic creation. Art must have a social value, and everyone can play an active part in a creative process. Planting an oak, for example, can be an artistic action influencing the planet for centuries. Peculiar is also the use of natural materials such as felt, grease, hair blood, oil, wine, everyday tools. The relationship between the artist and nature is conceptual, philosophical, and artistic at the same time, driven by action with a social value.